We've got a new lift kit for the RZR 200 for under $300. Before I get into it, you can click the link. It'll take you right to the product on our website. You can order there. If you have any questions, call us, email us, let us know, and let's get into it. RZR 200 2.5-inch lift kit. Retails for $279.95. Comes with these super trick 6061 CNC machine billet blocks. These are our front ones. Super easy install. Comes with all the hardware. Then you got the rear block as well. There's a little bit beefier there, a little bit more going on. One of the really important things that we do with our lift kits is we retain the stock shock angles so that it's not increasing the shock and spring pressure on the machine and making it a more rough or rigid ride. We retain the stock ride characteristics when we do this. So still going to feel the same suspension wise and everything. Going to be nice and plush over the bumps and the chatter and stuff. You're just going to have more ground clearance, so son or daughter, whomever's riding the machine, if they're trying to follow you through rutted trails or rockier section, it's going to give them 2.5 inches more ground clearance, allow them to get through that stuff a little bit easier. Or if you're looking to put bigger tires on, or if you just want to stand out and look cooler, look meaner, this lift kit's for you. So again, 2.5-inch lift kit, 100% made in the USA. Comes complete with the 4 mounting blocks, all your hardware, instructions. Retail price is $279. Click on the link, check it on the website. Let us know if you have any questions, and we'll see you soon.